quality, technology-driven, precision manufacturing. At BDE Manufacturing Technologies, we live these words. Our state-of-the-art 3 horizontal mill Okuma cell merged with a 63-pallet autoload, flexible manufacturing system allows us to meet our clients' needs by offering around-the-clock machining on all repeat production needs. BDE has always taken the necessary strides to adopt modern machining techniques and machinery and innovative computer-aided manufacturing, including our 5-axis mill turn, multiple 5-axis mills, and automated parts loader. Within our mill, lathe, and wire EDM departments, we provide comprehensive machining solutions from initial design consultation through final inspection. Our workforce has over a quarter-century of experience working with all materials from plastics to carbide to meet all our customers' unique requirements. BDE also provides assembly and testing of complex machines that number several hundred components. Capabilities include functional testing, torque specs, soldering and welding capabilities, and a detailed inspection process. BDE's inspection department is temperature controlled and equipped with all the measuring tools and gauges needed to fully inspect all contracted work. BDE can handle all your CNC manufacturing needs from concept to finished product. Request a quote through our website today at bdeinc.com.
From our team to yours, we look forward to supporting your manufacturing needs.